Good morning. Welcome to another live trading session by your boy Prodigy, as well as a quick daily vlog video. We are going to cut those shorter and just keep it mostly about trading. But today, guys, we caught some NVDA calls on the break of pre-market high. We did alert it in the Discord a little bit, letting them know that NVIDIA is on watch because it's trying to break above pre-market high. And we did say that it does want it, and we ended up getting a nice 13% on some NVIDIA calls. So far, the market is doing a little bit of sideways action, but it's probably because the market is at all-time highs. The S&P 500 just again for the second day in a row broke all-time highs again, which is making the whole market kind of move sideways. So I'll show you guys what I'm talking about when I say the market's kind of moving sideways. What I mean by that is look at Apple right here, or this is Microsoft actually. That's probably a better example. Same thing with Amazon. So overall, guys, it's difficult to trade like this, but this is the S&P 500. It's all-time high, broke 530. Now we're above $1.40. As far as the reports goes, guys, we don't have too much news. There is a Fed interview that already happened at 7 a.m. and it's currently 8 a.m. So it's a whole hour later and we only caught one trade. But anyways, guys, we are going to wrap it up here and head on to work. We already finished our morning workout routine, watch some more educational videos about business, and head on to work. Let's get it. Time is currently 9 a.m. Let's get to work, gang. So this is the bottom of the back of a seat. This is the only thing holding the piece of fabric. Little piece of wire. It's a little piece of wire, and I can literally take off your whole leather. Oh, you think you tough? Got off 3:17 p.m. We had a real light work day, as well as trading actually did pretty good, guys, to be honest, lately. So guys, check this out. We've been buying, guys, check this out, guys. I'm pretty hyped, guys. I'm really hyped right now. You guys don't even understand. So today in the Discord, I have been trading shares. I have not bought option. Okay, so I bought one option contract today on NVIDIA, but guys, I'm literally trading shares. I just made $100 off of a stock that's less than 50 cents. I was trading a stock that only cost 15 cents to buy. I bought in at 15 cents, rode it all the way to 18 cents, rode it all the way to 20 cents. I kept buying in and out, selling, buying in and out. I'll show you guys my little orders. That shit went from 15 cents to 50 cents. I didn't hold. That's insane. That's over like 400, 500, 600%. My little 250 could have turned into 700, but I kept flipping it for 40 bucks, kept flipping it for 80 bucks, 50 bucks, just to make $100 on the day. So I made 110 on the day, just flipping shares. Can you guys believe that? Just flipping shares. I kept buying 1,000 shares of a stock, selling it for 3 cents. That was fun. I'm not gonna lie, guys. That's hella fun. Let's get the fuck out of here. Let's go home. Let's go chart up. So it's the end of the night. And just to wrap it up, guys, I want to show you guys my new trading setup on the bottom screen. So I used to run 2 charts on the bottom and have just the trade option open. But now I actually have the time and sales open. It's not running right now, or else you'd see a list of green and sell orders coming through. But I'm going to try to scalp on the 1 minute now. I used to be a scalper, and that was something I really loved doing. That's how I first started, which was scalp trading and entering in on a quick momentum. Basically being a momentum trader until I started becoming more of a 5-minute, wait for a retest, wait for a 5-minute close, and try to wait for another 15, 30 minutes on a trade and hold for a long time. But I am still going to hold for a long time and set price targets. It's also just me being a scalp trader and entering in for quick, nice entries, 15, 20% with a good amount of capital inside these trades. And then also still setting a price target so I can hold for a nice 40 to 50 to 60%, maybe even hold and let a runner go. That's the whole goal, guys, is just to make enough to cover the first contract, and you let sell the rest, and then you hold the runner and let that thing run as much as it can. Obviously, the market isn't in the best shape for that because we're at all-time highs. Although the market did hit all-time highs twice in a row, 2 days in a row, SPY broke all-time highs. But we did have a recent pullback. Towards the end of the day, it kind of fell. So there is a mixed bias. Some people are thinking it's going to push up. Some people are thinking it's going to push down. I'm not even too sure what's going to happen. Although I do see a lot of stocks do look ready to fall down, like NVIDIA, Microsoft, Amazon, and a couple others, maybe even Apple, or even if I throw SPY in there. I believe all of those stocks do have a really big red candle on the daily with a fat amount of sellers. So it does look potentially ready to reverse, but I'm not going to put my finger on it because we never know. It did pull back $2 at least, just $2. That's all SPY pulled back. So we have a potential to run back up, but who knows, guys? We've been pumping for 2 days straight and had a $2 pullback. I can't imagine another pump, but what do you guys think? Leave a comment down below if you guys think the market's going to pump up tomorrow or not. Or are you guys even going to trade tomorrow? We do have just a little bit of news, but not too heavy, a little bit of speakers. Now, the word of the week is still hold till price target, and it's going to be that word of the week for a long time until I finally hit a trade where I can let you guys know that I held till price target and it finally worked all out. Eventually, I will wipe off word of the week and it'll be a different word of the week. Please drop a like and subscribe so it can help the algorithm. And guys, comment down what you guys want me to trade. Literally, Golden Wolf was the one that called out this stock in the morning, talking about CRKN, saying, guys, check this stock out. And that's what we started. That's why we started to trade share sale, just because of Golden Wolf. Golden Wolf was literally the one to call out this company randomly in the morning, and we decided to take shares on it because it was cheap enough just to mess around with. So, and for some reason, when you use all your buying power on Thinkorswim, Charles Schwab, whatever you call it, you can actually trade shares infinitely. You can literally keep trading shares no matter what, back to back to back. So that was pretty nice. So I shout out to Charles Schwab for that one. That was pretty nice. And as far as the economic news tab goes, guys, it's always updated every single day in a Discord, and I do update it on my own whiteboard back here so I can just take a quick look to the right side and see it instead of scrolling through the tabs. But if you guys need it, it's always in the tab, or just look it up on the marketwatch.com. But for the quick access, it's literally in the economic news tab in the Discord, and right underneath that is the earnings reports tab, where you can always find the next earning report, which company is going to drop the next report for the revenue, if you plan to take calls or puts on those. But we recommend not to ever trade those. But anyways, guys, if you're not in the Discord, the link is in the bio. Get it. I promise you, you will not be disappointed. It is so much fun. Small community, so if you do want to chat one-on-one, I'm always available to chat one-on-one. I'm always in it, active, probably talking the most, just talking so much stuff, sending out so many ideas. So if you guys do want to chat it up, talk more, hop on a voice chat, definitely join the Discord, and we can chat it up always. Catch you guys on the next one. Have a good rest of your guys' night. Hope you guys make some good gains tomorrow. Let me know what you guys made down below in the comments, if you guys traded anything, and what you guys want me to trade for you guys. I'm down to trade anything. If you guys have any stocks that you guys want me to look at, I'll check them out.